Met Lil Baby through my guy to official game. I had set up a verse for Baby with a client at a QC studio through a mutual friend. The client who I set the studio session up for, he just pressed the issue that I come. So I came and I guess this was like the third verse I set up for him, but he didn't really know who I was. And by that time there, he like, okay, he just saw how I work and basically just gave me the green light on just for me to do what I do. And
real network promotion, you know what I'm saying? That's the criteria right there, you know what I'm saying? You got to fuck with your game, especially you trying to get the baby, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, young baby. I go straight crazy. Work like 1-8.
Hell no, there's 30 motherfuckers on here.
Man, got 3 people on here live. 30.
Yeah, we're on my Instagram live. Look at you fine.
Know what I mean? What we doing, baby? We on Insta. Know what I mean?
Uncle.
Whole lot of motherfucking gang shit. Money bad business, full PF, all the motherfucking way. That's how we doing it.
Uncle on Facebook.
So it's an uncle on Facebook. Go bite it down later.
Uncle on Facebook.
since then, you know, shit, we just bagging them and tagging them, getting them features back to back, video appearances back to back.
See all that? That's that feature money. That's that feature money for Lil Baby. I get artists that bag. Y'all get with me. Real network promotion. Shout your name out. Where you from, big bro?
Man, Charleston, South Carolina. You know what's going on.
And they don't wanna what us. Stick they cussing fucks. And they never believe in us. And I see them walk with fuck.
President, my only friends. I would never ever love a game. I listen to them Benjamins. Or the Ben Franklin. Get it and get it again. I'm working hard just to win. I put magic in my pen. Words magic disappear. Baller harder for the brand. Early mornings in the gym. 10 shorties in the pill. Hella hundreds like a crib. Try to touch and make a trip.
I never seen him roll before. I might have lined up maybe 25 to 30 verses for him, and never have I seen him rope. He will always come in, listen to the beat, go straight to the booth, you know, put the pattern together, then just fill in the words. Never have I seen him rope in over 30 verses I put together for him. No surprise, because even with him, just like with Rich the Kid, he had that energy that he wanted to learn, that he's going to succeed, that he was persistent with it, dedicated, consistent.
Hey, I'm straight with the boy. Two.
Stay fresh like fam. I show my ass and walk around with a record, bitch. They look like thigh pads. Nigga mad at me, I funny, cause my nigga my bad. Know I was gon' be the hustler just like my dad.
What do you think? She should be sitting down, counting some money too, and he rapping, and both of them count money? Ain't none of y'all got some more money y'all can give her? Let her count? So give it, yeah. There you go. See, you counting money, she counting money, and he rapping in the camera. Yeah, real network promotion, man. I'm producing, I'm goddamn managing, I'm directing, casting models. You feel me? So if you counting that money, he rapping.
Why ain't bullshit, man?
Hell nah.
Real network.
Real network.
I don't speak on this, message is fast. I was moving this, I'm making them rash. Gotta stay down, gotta bounce with the bag. Got a real big bag, yeah.
Look at him. Hey, I told you you gonna fuck with it. You said you think baby can fuck with this? I said baby can fuck with it. I said baby can fuck with anything. I said my boy can fuck with anything.
Started working with him, you know, as soon as he started making a name for himself with that My Dog. I mean, we was going to shows and, you know, he would do a whole little 15-minute set and they would just look at him the whole time until that My Dog came on, and it was like, you can tell, they're like, okay, you the guy that sing this song. And just to see where he at right now, and I'm talking about 2,000, 3,000 people, 4,000 people just, you know, singing the song word for word, you know.
This nigga right here, where he at? Hollywood nigga. A nigga done get Hollywood, look at him. Y'all know my boy didn't get Hollywood on me and shit, you know, but it's all good. That's why y'all artists need to get with me, because this is what I produce. Get y'all that money. Don't fuck with Real Network Promotions, I get you that money. Know my work. When y'all get popping, I'm gonna get y'all that money. You feel me? Just like I be doing with him, you feel me? Man, niggas don't understand, man. It's hard work doing this, man. Goddamn hard work doing this. Hollywood nigga right here. This Hollywood nigga right here. Huh? You want me to go Hollywood? You said what? No, man, can't go Hollywood. Not on me, man. Not on the playmaker, man. Yeah, we made a lot together, man. Hey, that's real. That's real. That's real. Check my out. What's up, man? My boy said I'm going to Hollywood. I say he's going to Hollywood. He said I need to step it up.
It's a blessing just to see where he at, man, and he worked hard for it. You know, he's a hard worker and he deserves everything that's coming his way.